Good morning. It is Christmas Eve 2018. Casey and I are headed out. We have a tour to do. I want to show you what we're taking. Look at this cute little guy. Oh my gosh. Y'all right inside there?
A little short, but you know.
Luigi's a little small. We won't lie. Luigi's also really, really slow. So when we drive him around town, we get a little bit worried that people are going to run us over. I got this adorable little suitcase. Travels on it for him. We're going a long ways, unfortunately. A long ways for Luigi. Not a long ways in Mountain Home. A long ways for Luigi. It's like the longest 2 miles of our lives.
The whole voyage.
When you're in this little guy.
35 in like, I don't know, 85 seconds or something.
Oh my gosh, people just pass us. Like, no big deal. The thing we hate most is red lights because once we've got momentum, we're pretty good. The people behind us. I'm so sorry.
Out of the middle.
We're trying to go as fast as we physically possibly can.
It says we're going 40 kilometers per hour. I think that's about 27 miles an hour.
Best part about taking Luigi is you don't need a very big parking spot. In case you're wondering why we don't drive Luigi in the rain. This is not slow motion.
Yeah, Luigi's a fair weather driver.
So Casey is convinced that Luigi will fit on our front walkway to our house. So I figured, you want to try it? Let's try it. Let's see what happens. What's the worst that could happen? Oh my gosh, he actually fits. Oh no. This is hilarious, you guys. How is this real life? This just goes to show you guys how small he is. I mean, I know it's hard in a video to tell how small he is, but
It fits!
it fits! Spoiler for all of you who are getting a Christmas card next year because
Oh, it's not straight, but
here's gonna be our Christmas card.
yeah, here's a little sneak peek.
Oh my gosh!
It fit. Okay, so this is my idea. I think what we do is we get the motorcycle ramps, like 2 motorcycle ramps here, and then we back the car. I know it'll fit. We back it up right here and we have a patio ornament.
Next Christmas?
Or right now. I mean, all you have to do is put the chairs, because like, oh yeah. I mean, who has a car as a lawn ornament? I mean, rednecks do, but we're kind of
a little bit. Our car is on our front patio right now. I have a confession. My obsession with Luigi runs deep. I can't help it. It's just so dang cute.
The waitress talked me into ordering a 20-ounce Canadian lobster. So pretty excited about this. All right, standard versus Canadian. I didn't even know Canadians had lobsters. All right, guys, it's just past 8 o'clock tonight. It's Christmas Eve. I am headed to the coffee shop. Make sure everything's going the way it should. Make sure the dishwasher's going and make sure the heat is set at the right temperature and whatnot. Looks like everything was good at the coffee shop. Everything was locked up, so we checked to make sure things are locked up. Like I said, the heater's going. Pipes can freeze this time of year, so we got to make sure that everything's good. Make sure there's no money left in there at night. So yeah, I know a lot of people on Christmas Eve spend a lot of time with their families, and they leave town, they travel a lot. And not to say that we aren't able to leave and travel, because we certainly do, but when we do leave town, there's a whole preparation, a whole process to getting everything ready to go, just to make sure that the shop is in the best tip-top shape that it can be in. So a lot of people ask us, like, why haven't you guys started to have a family? And trust me, we talk about it all the time. We would love to have kids. I don't know how we would do all of this. I don't know how we would manage this company at this exact moment with kids. We are so involved as owners, and I think our only option is going to be to step back a little bit. I don't know. We don't have all the answers. It's just like this new coffee shop that we're building right now. We don't have all the answers. People ask us all the time, well, how many people are you going to hire? And we know we're doubling in size. We know that we're going to need a staff similar to the coffee shop that we have right now. So I guess double, 15 employees about. People ask us questions all the time, and we really don't have all the answers. People think we do. Well, you've been doing this for 5 years. How do you not know how you're going to do this? We are just as clueless as everyone else. Yeah. Scary.
AJ, what are you doing? My gosh. Baby, you are a woman. You're a girl dog. You're a sweet baby girl dog, not a boy dog. Oh my gosh.
Daisy.